Let's go. Congrats, your account is open, guys. That simple. That simple. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We out here talking about retirement, man, and how we need to help our parents, grandmother, auntie, everyone, anybody, and also yourself. Why? Because my father was never around when I was young to teach about money, credit, or how to deploy it properly to help me level up. Not saying it was all his fault, but that was just how I grew up. So if you can relate to that, if you get any value from this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this if you get a lot of value, because I'm going to teach you how to get a bankroll, guys, and how to stack it, because you cannot afford to miss out. Should you help your mom? That's a good question. Let's see why we should help our mom.
Approximately 80% of households with older adults are currently facing financial struggles, and many are at risk of slipping into economic insecurity as they age. This concerning trend is worsening over time, with about 90% of these older adults experiencing a decrease in income. This scenario contributes to a looming retirement crisis, raising questions about potential solutions. The U.S. retirement system has shifted towards being more of a savings mechanism and less focused on providing income, heightening the risk that workers will outlive their savings. Imagine a future where retirement dreams are shattered and financial security feels like a distant memory. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe and leave us a like below this video. The majority of households approaching retirement are not adequately financially prepared. A key measure of financial readiness is the ability to replace working income post-retirement, yet many Americans fail to achieve this. Typically, individuals will need to replace at least 70% of their wage income in retirement, but for those who have not saved enough, reliance on Social Security becomes inevitable. However, Social Security typically only replaces about 40% of pre-retirement income, leaving many households.
And this is true. You cannot depend on Social Security income, guys, because it might not even be there when we get there. So you do not want to do that.
Struggling to bridge the gap. An analysis by Pew Charitable Trusts predicts that America's retirement crisis could cost federal and state governments an estimated $1.3 trillion by 2040. Moreover, the World Economic Forum highlighted a significant demographic shift. For the first time in history, the number of people aged 65 and over exceeds the number of children aged 5 or younger. These demographic shifts have substantial monetary implications and underscore the urgent need for attention and action. The retirement funding shortfall is driven largely by demographics, although the United States fares better than some countries due to immigration. Nonetheless, according to Pew, the number of U.S. households with someone aged 65 or older earning less than $75,000 annually is projected to increase by 43% by 2040.
Exactly, guys. So what they're telling you is, yes, I believe you should help your mom, guys. Yeah, I think you should help your mom or grandmother that's been out here working and busting their butt. If they've been busting their butt out here, helping you pass school and helping you survive out here, man, I definitely think you should be able to go back and help them. And one way to help them, guys, is to set them up for retirement, or at least help them to show them how to set their own self up for retirement. And because maybe they don't, maybe they didn't get a pension, maybe they're working at a table, maybe they have their own little business. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Robinhood app. If you don't know, you can download Robinhood. Go to the App Store, download Robinhood, and once you create an account, we're going to go into it right now, and I'll show you guys how to set up a Roth IRA. So now you're in account, guys. So you're in account in Robinhood. You want to click the middle button down at the bottom. This is the IRA, and they also got a 3% match. So they got a 3% match. Let's see. Click get started. You want to say I want a Roth IRA. Boom. You go after that. It says make after-tax contributions, tax-free growth potential. We want to click continue. Boom. Roth IRA. You're opening the Roth IRA with Robinhood. Review 1 out of 2. These are all terms and conditions. Click review. Click agree to Robinhood stock limit at the bottom. Boom. Press agree. Let's go. Congrats. Your account is open, guys. That simple. That's simple. Right here, how do you want to invest? You can get a recommended portfolio, which they're probably going to click. They're probably going to choose like mutual fund, or you can pick your own stocks and ETFs and invest in there. And one of them you want to invest in is VOO. That's the S&P 500. And you can add this to your basket. Boom, at the bottom. And after that, it is after market hours right now, so I can't technically buy it until Monday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I would press continue, and basically I would buy this stock. And I would buy VOO once a month and keep that up. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the opportunity. But at the same time, guys, if you found any value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, because I was once where you were financially, but I will also teach you how to get out of that, make a bankroll and stack it, because you cannot afford to miss out. Let's go, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.